This is a 3,500 PSI, 4 gallon a minute Mighty M compressor. Friend Joe is going to demonstrate it. It can't be turned on its side. He's going to use the wand attachment on it right now. It allows you to do a mix. We'll have to show you how to do it of degreaser if you need it. We also have something else for rent. That's cuts a swath on pavement about 20 inches wide for cleaning. Again, we kind of have to show you how to use it. The machine is a gun. Be safe. Gotta wear your goggles. It's one of the most powerful machines we own, and it's also one of the most fun. That's why Joe can't keep his hands off of it. He's going to show you how to use it right now.
Safety first.
Safety first. Water on, and turn it on. Pull the cord. Pull the trigger. Yep. He's using one of 3 tips that are available on it.
I love it.
You'll clean a car, you'll clean an engine, you'll clean a deck, you'll write your name in pavement if you aren't careful. Rent me.
FineToolRental.com. Fine tools. Beautiful. Oh, I love this. I love this tool.
This thing is non-stop fun, and it quarters the job of whatever you're doing. I've seen people clean a house with this thing. You have to be careful with your bits, and you have to read your directions. The rental on this thing is comes with gas and about 150 feet of hose, so you can run it from around the back side of your house. You got to make sure you pull the trigger when you're running it. The back pressure on this ceramic valve is pretty incredible. And so if it's not pressing, if that pump is not pushing water out, it's pushing water through it. It's got a whole ceramic system in it that'll wear out. It's got the best Honda motor on the market. This will make short work of anything that needs to be done in Seattle. I might even attack blackberries with it, but that's another episode.